Thomas Ryan, multimillionaire. He was one of the founders of Lockheed. Been in the aircraft business. In World War II, Douglas MacArthur appointed Tommy Ryan to be the liaison between civilian and military aircraft in the Pacific. Two guys that have left their footprints.
Wow, that is
so
cool.
you can that kind of heritage all ties back to rail.
Oh yeah. Hi there, how are you?
He just got back for a couple of weeks at the lake, just recuperating from old AT. He's been our chief mechanical officer for all along. If you look at all of those forms of transportation, human transportation, we got it covered all the way from foot traffic to space travel.
Yeah,
it
space
all comes
travel,
together
yep.
in the middle of it.
Yep.
Well, you know, I worked at White Sands 55 60, and they're just out of college, and I went to see girls and sports cars, and I was in what was going on. But I look back at it now, and the stories that my grandparents have told me, and other relatives told me about New Mexico. This state has some of the most unique heritage.
It really does, yeah.
And you know, it's yesterday I spent 3 hours at a tourism meeting on the Rio Rancho, and I think we're finally getting to the point that we communicate. We have to address that heritage at state level, or you don't have any clout if this group's looking this way and this group's looking this way.
That's right.
You got to support each other.
Rob would.
Sure, and that's the that whole
This one?
A, because it's up against hot water. B, because the truck goes to swing out.
Oh, that one.
Real easy to fix. All I do is pop that in and run it up through here, right up and down through here. Shouldn't be any big deal. But this truck is going to swing a lot.
It swings major.
Yeah, it's going to swing a lot. So
A spring opens and allows oil-saturated steam that's already there to circulate. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Thank you guys for coming. Appreciate it.
Oh, my pleasure. I was going to say I come out here several times a year because I live close to here.
Oh, do
So,
you?
yeah.
Super.
So, I always like an excuse to come out. This is a good one.
Yeah. So that's what. So this, in addition, this valve gear, in addition to setting the position of the valve relative to the openings and moving it, also lubricates the chassis through this. 64 different locations on the chassis and the wheels, and then this is that special steam oil, which is like 1,500 weight oil. It's like Vaseline at room temperature, but it has to be able to take 700 degrees in the cylinder.
We have also some air-driven appliances which come off the air tank. And I know where the pipe is, I know where the appliances are turned on and off, but I couldn't remember where we got air out of this air tank. And there's a T in that equalizer.
I'm told that the groups, the motor for it has not been stripped. At some point,
Oh, we don't have enough people up here anymore.
we may take it down there if they do enough work. There's a plan for them to do some restoration inside that shop.
Don't believe anything he says.
There's a lot of truth in that. Hey, John, how you doing?
How are you, Bill?
I'm fine.
Good. I'll get out of your way.
No, you're fine. John's one of our longtime members. He was in charge of nuclear reactors for the Navy on a couple of submarines. Say it again. The movie people, we've been involved with them. That was before I came here, so it must have been like 7, maybe 8 years ago. They did something down here and gave us money, and I don't know what happened. I don't know what they did. Obviously, this thing wasn't moving. was just set.
Wow.
Yeah, makes a good product. All right. If you guys want to see history of this thing, we have over in our reefer, we have a lot of pictures of where it's set in the park, how we got it out of there, how it got down here, and all of that. But I mean, you know, that's old history. This is new history. So look around. If you have questions, if I'm not around, any of these guys down here, especially John that was just hollering at me. John is extremely knowledgeable. He's written books. He is making a color book right now, coffee table size, describing the restoration of 2926.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And some of the other stuff.
Wait, this is out right here.
Yes. Originally it was driven, like all of them were, just by a cable and a small wheel on the back of the driver. We will not do that. We will have a GPS reader inside here telling us it'll record the speed, make the hand move, it'll record the speed at every mile marker. So if anybody questions us, we pull out the tape and show them, you know, we didn't exceed the speed limit.
How fast is the train go?
The rails that we will run on, as far as we know, will be the north-south rails. They are limited to 79 miles an hour. Now, east-west, there's so much traffic out there. Santa Fe has told us for the time being, forget about it. You ain't going that way. But we believe that we're going north and south. We will have to be careful of our weight. And some of the trusses going north and south out here may not stand this thing full of fuel and water. It's right at 1 million pounds. So we got to be careful we don't bust the truss. That would not be good.
What's that one that comes down through the canyon up there, just a landing, Apache Canyon or whatever it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to mess up coming down that way.
No, and we won't be doing 79 miles an hour going up or coming down. That's true. That's
You
true.
messed up in there, you were there.
Yes, that's a pretty drive down there, though. I'm really looking forward to making this first trip up to Las Vegas.